Good morning, family, friends, followers, and guests. Thank you for dropping in. I've watched the rats try to bail off from the sinking ship, abandoning Trump. Let me tell you a little bit about attorneys and withdrawing. In a case, attorneys don't get to just say, I'm done, and withdraw. They actually, once they're representing a client, they have to show cause. And the cause can be pretty simple, actually. It really can. But the bottom line is they still have to show cause. And the cause has to be real. Trump's attorney has made some claims in the Pennsylvania lawsuit over the wrongfulness of how they run their election, that Trump engaged in acts that were illegal, and he used that law office in order to do that. I don't believe that's true. I had several times, many times, I had clients ask me for legal advice to help them commit a fraud on the court or to commit a crime. And I wouldn't give it to them. I'd tell them they had to find another attorney. And it was that simple. I was never put in a position where I had to resign because I gave a client information to tell him or teach him or help him commit a crime. And I never had a client that I know of actually commit a crime as a result of my representation. I have attorneys right now, a couple of real losers, who have not sought the court. They've told the court they resign. They're not going to represent me. But they haven't gotten the court's permission to it. And technically, legally, right now, Harold Hoffman and Evan Snipes, in my VA case, haven't done anything in my case for years, yet they're expecting to get a fee out of it if my case settles. And they don't get to just walk away, but they refuse to do their job. This attorney for Trump, the bottom line is, he refused to do his job. Trump is perceived right now, because of some of the comments he made, is considered, politically considered, as if he, in fact, supported the riots. When at no time, if the things he said are critically viewed, did he cause or make anyone riot. But that's politically incorrect today. So it's not a safe thing to say. I run up against, with this kind of comment, I run up against the so-called fact checkers for YouTube and whoever else might get a hold of this. It doesn't matter. The truth is what it is. Let me tell you a truth, a real truth. Her name is Ashli Babbitt. And she is a victim of a terrorist organization that the establishment at this point in time refuses to control. And that's the Washington police, Washington, D.C. She was murdered. I don't know of any jurisdiction that condemns murdering somebody for a mere property crime. None. There has to be a fear for life, not for the property, but for life. The life of another or themselves. So what fear did the cop have from an unarmed 14-year military veteran who was engaging in no acts that constituted harm to an individual? There it is, the first blatant victim of the Civil War we are engaged in. There's the bottom line. And it doesn't matter how you cut it. Show me evidence, show me facts that say that she put her life on the line, unarmed, enough said. It's kind of hard to have a good day or a good week with this kind of crap going on. My disappointment in Fox News is beyond great.